Hello sports fans, welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. There's the RV. Inside is Ninja, the martial arts cat. We've been on the road for over 2 years, 99% of the time boondocking, dry camping. That's where I'm coming to you from now. A desert lot on the southeast part of Tucson, Arizona, where we stayed for 2 nights, but we're hitting the road, meeting a friend for lunch nearby, maybe dumping some trash, charging my power stations along the way, and heading to a place called Wilcox, where there's supposed to be kind of a habitat lagoon pond area. It's only about an hour away, but let's go have lunch. Already put in the slide out, put in the front doormat, and checked all the attachments on the bug to make sure they're good, and let's hit the road. So here's pretty much a front side of Rancho Rustico restaurant. Very, very good quality homemade food. And let me show you a picture I've got of the mountains that you can't really see right now that I took earlier. All right, now that you saw the outside, this is the inside. It's a little bar, nice dining area, and where we sat outside was the patio. Very nice and chilly in the cold, and that's our plates. So I had a very delicious lunch. And there's Shelly. Say hi to everybody.
It's a good restaurant. Good lunch. Thanks.
All right, visit done, lunch done. Checked all the car straps. They're all good. Time to hit the road for the 1-hour drive to Wilcox, Arizona, and the lagoon. Should be fun. And look who is here waiting for me, because I've got the Blue Eddie up there in her bed. It's little Ninja. Ready for a trip? Here we go. Made it to Wilcox, Arizona. Gas here at the Circle K is $2.79 a gallon. It's cheaper than it was in Eloy or Tucson. So we're going to see if they have any refreshments, and we're about 2.3 miles away from the lagoon parking. And we got about 45 minutes before dark, so hopefully they'll have something good here and get on the road, and next thing you know, we'll be at the lagoon. Okay, we made it. Came in over there. Snow on the mountains in the distance. Came in through here. Found a little pull off. Slide out is out. And those have to be bird watchers up ahead. Boy, nice little chill. It's supposed to get freezing tonight. That's the sound of those birds or geese or duck flying from the left to the right. It's crazy. Sky's just full of them. I think they're geese. Long necks. Well, at the Circle K, I did find a couple of nice adult beverages, some sour apple Four Locos. I'm going to have a few of those tonight. And I love what I've seen so far. I'm going to stay one more night. So all day tomorrow and another day before taking off. So that'll be part of the next video. And it's supposed to be super peaceful. Right now it's super dark. I'm not going to eat anything else because that shredded beef burrito with rice and beans that I had earlier at the restaurant was filling enough. But thanks for joining me on this. Ninja and I bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.